50 people. They were working with us, they were bringing the order, they were serving the order to the guests, and guests will also gonna be surprised when they're gonna understand that they can't listen, they can't even speak, but they were taking very smoothly order, and there is no there is no any interruption, and if there is any problem we are not facing.
These candidates are no different or no less than any other normal candidate. Yes, okay, it's a disability, but it is always possible through efforts of all of us to convert this disability into some sort of ability, their weakness into strength, so that they can also get what other sections of society are getting.
Because he is, I tell you, don't go by his size. Okay, he is one of the very sincere and hard-working, smart boy in this hotel. Just to tell you that last month he has been recognized as an Employee of the Month. What it says Employee of the Month means he is good in all aspects, not only hard work but coordination with the people and dealing with the subordinates and colleagues and all other people. In all aspects, he is a gem of a person. Good.
Hearing impaired people are not distracted by sound. So they have got the job, they will go, काम करे, ना phone बज रहे, ना बातें हो रही है, gossip हो रहा, nothing. They will focus on the job and go. Yes, you will have to spend that 1 month, 3 weeks to train them through the help of an organization like ours or through an interpreter. But in the long run, because the attrition rate drops, it makes good business sense for the corporate to employ PWDs. So once the corporates get sensitized and get aware of the abilities of what the deaf people can do, and that we have trained them in-house on the industry needs, industry-based training, then it's been a very positive and a very satisfying experience for me.
I can share the experience of companies that what they are telling us now, that give these people in buckets, we don't spoon feeding with these people. So good afternoon to all of you. I think this is about hospitality, but maybe in future we'll create for apparel and other sectors also. So I'll just start about Sarthak. Actually, I was a practicing dentist till 2004, and I lost my external vision, but God was very kind to me, and because of his blessings, I started Sarthak with the idea, with the vision to empower persons with disability by giving them employment. And our mission is to create such centers across India where people, after getting employability, can live their life with happiness. So right now we work with people with blindness, people who are hearing impaired, people who are physically challenged, and of course small children with intellectual disability. I think Dr. Manmeet has already shared the statistics that the number of people, population of persons with disability in India. I think Indian survey says it's 2 to 3%, but UN says 8 to 10%. So whatever number is there, it's persons with disability. So we work under 4 verticals: training, employment, advocacy, and the early intervention part. When we talk about the employability of persons with disability in India, it's only 0.15% of total population. Whatever is the number is employed. So you can imagine that situation is how much pathetic over there. And according to disability also, I think only few, like 9% people with blindness, 8% with hearing impaired, and 70% with locomotive are employed. But with other disability, its number are very minimal. So I'll just start that how we were born. Actually, in 2004, when I lost my vision, I think employment was a challenge. And when I searched PAN India for the organizations, for NGOs, for government sector, it was challenged that the employer don't know how to hire persons with disability, the candidate don't know. So I thought, why not to start something where we can link the training with the employability thing, and we started Sarthak. And initially it was a challenge. Like I'll share one example of a BPO. Like there's a BPO called NetAmbit. You might have heard about it. They were because it's tough for the middle manager to take the decision. So I think if some of you are owning your industry, then only I think buying will come from your HR or from your operations. So then we started talking to the senior management, the people who are owning the companies, and then slowly the process started in IT, BPO, retail, hospitality, manufacturing, and it goes on. And I think we are working with some apparel firms also in Jaipur, in Ludhiana, and in NCR region, but not in a great number. Initially, when we started, I think initially it was a challenge because there is no registered data. When we go to employment exchange, data is of 60s or 70s. When you go to other exchanges, similar thing was there. So why I thought situation is very alarming. So why not how to reach up to the population in India? And we started our activity called job fairs. We started from the northern region, went to east, west, south, and I think everywhere situation was pathetic. Even in south and western India, I think situation was good. Means you can not good, but okay because of their education qualification. But when we traveled to north and east, situation was pathetic, and lot of intervention was required. So right now we use this tool called Job Fair, where we took the corporates of the local corporates, especially the MNCs from IT, BPO, retail, hospitality, people from IBM, Wipro, Genpact, people from the whole retail sector, hospitality. You might have seen in this video KFC, Costas, and Lemon Tree, and ITC. And they came to participate in the job fair. Initially, they hired some candidates. Of course, they'll be churning from the operation team. You will get in your company also. But then they realize that it's not a charity or a mercy where they are hiring persons with disability, but it's a business model for them because retention is very high. And of course, I think they are focused on the job. And I think we are working with right now 300 corporates from all banking, insurance, and these sectors. And people are hiring them on their capabilities, not on any charity. So then we thought, why not to start? Because when unless giving is without a skill, a person you will place there, so retention is not tight. So we started our training programs, where we started programs with the corporates for different skill set, for training programs in house also, where we have a standardized program for BPO, for retail, hospitality. And I think Madam Manmeet has already created such a good training program. So maybe I invite all of you who are interested, then we can source candidates. Madam module is already available with you, and we can start training program in your facility. So I think that will be a tripod type of intervention. We can start with persons with disability. These are our training partners. We have partners in all other sectors, in IT, BPO, retail, hospitality, but I think we can start with the apparel sector also. So the most important vertical is the advocacy, like where we are sitting in this room. So we started our advocacy program as a roundtable conferences. and we did it across India, and we invited corporates who has hired persons with disability and people who wants to hire. So there was an open discussion between them, and then they started hiring. So that was a wonderful tool that we use, and a lot of employment was generated. We have done such roundtables across the India, and people from other sectors are quite happy to hire such people now. So maybe in future we can plan a specific apparel sector roundtable in NCR region, where we can, people who has hired, they can come and share their experiences, and people can start hiring them. And Madam Manmeet has shared about the sensitization workshop. That is very important at all the levels, starting from the top to middle to the lower level, because without sensitization it's tough, because we cannot assume कि a person is disabled और उसका supervisor को ऐसा लगेगा, but we have to sensitize them. So we have created modules for sensitization at all the levels, and it's very important to sensitize all the managers in your factory. So recently there is an early intervention thing. Maybe for your information I can share that I think 50% disability can be minimized if a person is disabled born, and intervention can be given at 0 to 3 years of age. And we also learnt this thing last year. There were a lot of studies has been done in NIMH Hyderabad and other places. If we can start the intervention to a child who is disabled born, then 50% of disability can be minimized. So on similar patterns, we started this early intervention center, and lot of very good results are coming of those interventions now. So this is, I think, job analysis. Madam already shared in detail about in what profile which disability can be hired without using any support, or without, and the output will be the same. The other person is going to work in your factory. I think concern already Madam has shared in detail. So this is the way forward, where we can plan a training program in your apparel unit, and it can be followed up with a OJT, on-job training, and then there is a hiring, and of course supported with sensitization workshop of your fellow managers, supervisors, and then we can do the follow-up with your team and with the parents of the persons with disability, because especially when we talk about people who are hearing impaired, a lot of support is required from the parents also, because communication gap will be there. So I think our team can come and start this thing by using Madam modules, and definitely we can work. I can share some examples where people has done wonders. Like there is a company called DesignMate, might have heard. It's in Ahmedabad, where 95% workforce is persons with disability, and you won't believe that they are hiring people who are more disabled, because they are feeling that retention is very high. It's a e-learning company, and it's run by Mr. Barar. I think you can search on Google also. Then there is a company called Orbit, that is in Trichy, where 95% people are people with blindness. You might have heard about a company called Miracle Courier. So maybe there is a video also. So that company's 95% workforce is people with hearing impaired. So there are a lot of such examples, and we can go on sharing those examples. But what I feel, I think हम शुरुआत कहीं से भी कर सकते हैं, एक दो लोगों से कर सकते हैं, पायलट के रूप में कर सकते हैं, बट आपकी सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है. हमारा ऑफिस बीकाजी में है. वी आर ऑपरेशनल इन 21 स्टेट्स. वी हैव प्लेस्ड मोर देन 3,500 पीपल, बट नंबर बहुत कम है, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग डिसेबल्ड हैं. तो ऑन 27th वी हैव केप्ट ए जॉब फेयर इन दिल्ली. अगर एनसीआर के कुछ लोग हैं तो आप आके देख सकते हैं किस तरह का वर्कफोर्स है. ये नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फिजिकली हैंडीकेप में है, ये ITO पे है. यू कैन प्लीज कम डाउन ओवर देयर. आई थिंक 15 कॉर्पोरेट्स विल बी देयर टू हायर सच पीपल. मे बी आप ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए आ सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं कि ये लोग भी, आई थिंक दे आर ऑल्सो कैपेबल टू वर्क इन योर फैक्ट्री. So I'll just share that what job fair is. I think Tarun will play that video.
I started Miracle Couriers in January 2009 with a mission to employ low-income deaf youth. With an army of 60 soldiers, we offer excellent service in Mumbai.
Hello? You want to prepone the pickup by half an hour? That can be done. appreciate the sincerity.
मेहनत तो इनसे सीखे. We believe in professionalism and hard work. Respect and appreciation from our clients increases our confidence.
Bain Capital has been associated with Miracle Courier since April last year, and their track record has been impressive.
At Miracle Couriers, we believe in empowering our employees and showing the world what we are capable of. In December 2010, we got the National Award from the President of India for empowering people with disabilities.
Our training is top class. We want them to become role models for all the other deaf people out there who want to join our force. At Miracle, the idea is to empower them to lead respectable and meaningful lives.
We have 2 branches, 60 people, and 1 million dreams. Miracle Couriers has shown resilience and fortitude. Our work is growing every day. We aim to empower those we employ, companies that are ready to take on tomorrow. Miracle Couriers, delivering possibilities we can.
Yeah, so this is about Actually, this is about Miracle Courier. There is a company in Mumbai which is run by Dhruv Lakra. Actually, he was traveling in a BMC bus. वो BMC बस में ट्रेवल कर रहा था, तो एक हियरिंग इम्पेयर्ड बच्चा उनके पास आके बैठ गया और टीटी आया, उसने टिकट लिया, मतलब उसने टिकट खरीदा और उनका कोई कन्वर्सेशन नहीं हुआ. एंड देन ही वेंट बैक एट होम. घर जाने के बाद उसके पास एक कुरियर वाला आया, कुरियर वाले ने कुरियर दिया, उससे बात नहीं हुआ, फोन उसने साइन किया और चला गया. देन ही रियलाइज इफ HI पर्सन जो उसके साथ बैठा था वो भी ये काम कर सकता है, क्योंकि मेरा तो कोई कन्वर्सेशन ही नहीं हुआ उसके साथ में. एंड देन ही फ्लोटेड दिस कंपनी कॉल्ड मिरेकल कुरियर, और 95% बच्चे वहाँ हियरिंग इम्पेयर्ड काम कर रहे हैं. तो मेरे को लगता है हम रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर लेते हैं, बिना देखे ही कर लेते हैं. जैसे लैपटॉप पे आप हाथ घुमाते हैं तो आप कितनी बार कीज़ देखते हैं, बट थोड़ा कुछ सोचने की ज़रूरत है और बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. तो आई थिंक आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, जो लोग आप आ सकते हैं तो आप 27 को आइए जॉब फेयर में, आप इन बच्चों से मिलिए और फिर हम लोग मैडम के साथ मिलकर आपके यहाँ ट्रेनिंग भी कर सकते हैं. सो वंस अगेन आई लाइक टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू एंड थैंक्स टू OJTC जिसने हमें ये समय दिया इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए. थैंक यू.